Well, our collaboration came about because, don't be embarrassed by this, but I am a fan of Sarah's books and always have been. And I really enjoyed her book, The Little Stranger, which is spooky and sinister. And I had this idea to adapt a book that no one seems to have really heard of, and it's a little bit spooky and sinister, and I thought she would be the perfect person to work with on this project.
Yes, well, I'm a fan of Chris's too, have been for a long, long time. So when Chris got in touch and said he'd come across this book that he thought I would like and be interested perhaps in working on with him, I was intrigued, and then he sent me the book, and I thought, I've never heard of it before, I've never heard of this author. And I read it and really liked it and thought, yes, you know, it's just got a lot of potential. So, yeah, then we just...
It was a slightly, it's a little bit kind of lovely, but there was this sort of thing of us kind of knowing about each other. And we was in Melbourne, do you remember that, in Australia? And I was doing a radio interview, and they said, we've got another Brit coming in a while, and it's Sarah Waters. And I was like, oh, great. And then I waited like a bit of a sad person for as long as I could. And then I had to go, so I left you a note, didn't I?
You did, it was quite romantic, really.
No, it was.
Way,
so that's how it came about. So God bless the Australians for bringing us together.